Hey, what is up, guys? My name is Harris Marin. Thank you guys so much for visiting my channel. Again, I appreciate you guys that keep coming back. So, I've been kind of all over the board lately, and I think I've kind of figured out where I'm going to niche down to. And I am going to bring you guys a lot into my life. I think that's super important as far as my day-to-day goes in my business, which is I run a digital marketing agency. But what I'm going to be specifically focusing on is LinkedIn. So I think LinkedIn is a highly underrated platform and highly underutilized, especially by business professionals, which is why I'm going to be making a bunch of these videos. I think that there's a lot of people online that say that LinkedIn's really good, but don't actually follow through with what they're saying. You know, they don't actually believe what they're saying, which is not the greatest. So I'm going to give you guys some great information right now in this video on 3 ways that you can improve your LinkedIn right away. Like today, end of this video, you are going to know exactly what you could do better for your LinkedIn. And because of that, I want you to implement it and let me know in the comments below what you guys like and what you guys didn't like about it. Number 1, right off the bat, go on your profile and update your college. And you're probably like, why do I need to update my college? Well, if you don't update your college, LinkedIn doesn't know who your alumni are, and you might be missing out on the opportunity to connect with people that went to the same school. People buy from people they like and people they already know. If you met somebody in college but you didn't have a LinkedIn at the time, chances are pretty good that person might have a LinkedIn now, and because of that, they may very well have a LinkedIn and have their college on there. But if you don't have your college on there, you're missing out on potential connections, potential people that LinkedIn is going to recommend directly to you as far as potentially good candidates for connections. And ultimately, by producing good content, you can connect with them and potentially sell them. Number 2, if you're going to send out a connection to somebody, I don't care who it is, but you absolutely have to include some kind of note. Give a reason why you're connecting with people. There are what are called lions, LinkedIn open networkers, and those people just accept and add anybody. It's really ineffective because they may never see your stuff, and even if they do see your stuff, chances are pretty good they're not going to engage with it. Now, this is not always true, so please don't think that this is the absolute most true words. They may very well share your stuff, and it may be a good way to get in front of other people, but chances are pretty good those people just want to keep adding and adding and adding and adding because they think that for some reason there's a good thing and a good reason to add people. If you're going to connect with people, let them know why you're connecting with them. Even if it's to make a sale, you don't have to say you're making a sale, but hey, I think we can add value to each other. I think that you're going to appreciate the content I put out. I've heard about you through XYZ person. We share a mutual connection here. Anything that you could do is going to be super powerful as far as putting information in there. So take the time out. It is well worth it, and really put in some kind of message, even if it's the exact same message to a group of people that you're just copying and pasting each time. If those are the potential alumni or other alumni from your college, that's totally fine. Use it. It's just only a couple hundred characters in there that you get to use. And then after that, if they don't accept it, you're not going to connect with them. But putting that in there, letting them know, hey, by the way, we went to school together. We should probably speak. This, that, and the other thing. It's so powerful. I promise you guys, it's tried and true. I've tested it. I know people that have done this. Go do it. Go test it out for yourself. I think it's really powerful. Number 3, and this is probably my biggest pet peeve out there. So please listen because it drives me nuts that people don't do this. Clean up your profile. And that's a broad brush statement, but specifically, do not, unless you absolutely need to, take a picture or use a profile picture taken from your cell phone. Now, I'm not saying that cell phones don't take good profile pictures, but we're supposed to be business professionals. Even if you can't get a professionally done headshot, whether it's out of your budget or whatever reason, fine. Go find a friend that has a really nice camera on their phone, turn on portrait mode, and take a picture. That is going to be the best picture that you're going to be able to get, and make it professional. Put on a collared shirt. Put on something that's going to look good. Maybe shave if you're a clean-shaven guy most of the time. Don't go in with scruff. You know, get a fresh haircut. Stuff like that. Stuff that shows that you're a business professional and shows that you actually care about who you are. It is so critically important to do this. Also, you could easily put a background image up and clean up your bio a little bit. Some people don't even have bios. They're super helpful. It's the first thing you see when you visit somebody's profile. Do yourself a favor. Go do it. It takes 5 or 10 minutes. And now you're going to start to appear more and more. And if somebody sees or somebody's looking for a potential person in your position that could potentially make you money, now they know what you do. I'm going to be following this video up with tons of different videos on LinkedIn, things that people do, things that people don't do, things that people should be doing and should not be doing. It is so critically important. I promise you guys that. I look forward to bringing you guys this content. I look forward to kind of the new change that my channel is going to be going in. And also, totally unrelated to this video, I'm going to be wearing a little more relaxed stuff. I'm going to have a little more fun with this because I think I was a little too serious for a little while. So because of that, I'm going to be getting just a little more relaxed. I'm going to have a little more fun with you guys. You guys are going to see a ton of stuff in live. I'm pointing that way because that's where my computer is. But you guys are going to see a lot of stuff live in action that I want to show and bring to you guys. But I think this is really important. Just 3 quick little basic tips that is going to help you guys grow your LinkedIn connections and ultimately what we all want to do. We all want to make money. So start. And if you really want to make money and you really care, you should like this channel and subscribe because that really helps. I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.